The SDR role is more than a role.
Sales development representative.
It's a program.
Like I had absolutely no technical knowledge. I don't think you did either.
No. Nothing. Couldn't. I barely able to use the banking app on my phone.
Genuinely thought, oh, I'm never going to get this. I'm never going to understand it.
Oh, not at all. No.
I would play professional rugby.
Came from a event management background, wasn't even like, sales wasn't even on my radar.
I used to be a cabin crew for an airline based in the Middle East.
I played football, so yeah, soccer professionally.
I used to get kicked in the head a lot.
Way more about the attitude, coachability.
It's not about bringing in experience. It's bringing in people with those intangibles.
The willingness to learn is the big thing.
Be genuinely curious.
Just kind of jump in and see what works for you.
Yeah, there's a lot of creativity involved, completely.
Yeah.
Being able to listen to your teammates as well.
Bring them through with expectations, make sure that they get the training that they need.
You pick it up as you go, and everyone's so helpful. Like, there's so much training, there's so many resources provided to you.
Any question you need answered in 2 minutes.
We have a very clear path that's going to take them through a 6 to 9 month program.
Transition has been a lot quicker than I thought.
They look back and they're like, wow, I can't believe I'm actually having these conversations.
They can be on the phone to new or existing customers. They can be emailing. They can be on Zoom calls.
You're constantly challenged in a good way.
They can be collaborating with different cross-functional units in marketing, sales, engineering.
We run competitions and it's all good fun, but you realise how competitive you are.
A couple of words, fun,
Yeah.
right? Really supportive.
This is a buoyant, exciting marketplace to be in, and SmartBear are leading a lot of that process.
We're not looking for a software expert. We're not looking for the best salesperson in the world. We're looking for people with the right attitude.
You have multitudes of opportunity within SmartBear.
Everybody really knows everybody there and just trying to help each other.
This is an incredible career to get into in terms of money and progression and opportunity. This is the job.
We've seen so many successful people that have come out of the SDR program.
Like, if I can do it with the background I had and not any experience in it, I don't think there's anyone that couldn't do it as well,
I have never seen anyone within the SDR program unsuccessful.
It's an academy. It's a strategy.
It's the most important role in the company.